How to collaborate on AI flashcards. First of all, open the Knowt app on your device and make sure you are logged in with your account. Then go to your library and select the flashcard you want to collaborate on. Tap on the three dots located next to the flashcard set and choose Manage Sharing from the options. Inside Manage Sharing, you will find different settings. Under Visibility, you can decide whether anyone in your organization can view the flashcard set or whether anyone with the link can view it. There is also a share link button that generates a link you can send to classmates or teammates. After making your selections, tap Save to confirm your sharing preferences. Once everything is set, copy the link and share it with the people you want to collaborate with. Depending on the permissions you choose, they will be able to view or edit the flashcards. This makes group starting easier and more effective since everyone can contribute and access the same flashcards in real time. Now you know how to collaborate on Knowt AI flashcards. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.